Suzuki Wagon-R is a spacious car of Suzuki company, which is best for a family. The first generation of Suzuki Wagon-R was presented in 2014. Suzuki Wagon-R 2020 is a front-engine wheel-drive hatchback. Suzuki Wagon-R 2020 highlights the fresh out of new Suzuki K-Series motor that is more affordable than the majority of different manufactured cars of Suzuki company. K-Series gives good mileage and more efficiency to the engine of a car. The first generation Suzuki Wagon-R is accessible in two variants, Wagon-R VXR and Wagon-R VXL. Suzuki Wagon-R 2020 cost in Pakistan range between 16 lakh to 19 lakh. Suzuki Wagon-R 2020 outside highlights a recognizable Suzuki plain structure. The front and enormous trapezium-styled side cleared highlight a trapezium grille with a chrome complement, a trapezium air admission and double standard roundabout hazy lights. The backside house a rope-foot spoiler, stucked rectangular vertical side cleared tail light and a standard case hatchback. All variants of Suzuki Wagon-R highlights indistinguishable style in each viewpoint. The journal outside of first generation Suzuki Wagon-R 2020 highlights a genuinely limited structural language that is natural for Japanese hatchback of its sort. Suzuki Wagon-R 2020 is decorated with big and dark plastic trim pieces inside the car. The front and back seats are covered with leather. Standard highlights on the Wagon-R VXR incorporated cooling as standard power controlling two-speaker sound system, sound framework with CD, AUZ and USB contribution as standard. Highlights on the best quality Wagon-R VXL has the specs are keyless entry system, foldable back seats, front fog lights, keyless windows, power steering, best cooling system, luxurious texture, security system, two-speaker sound system and framework with CD, AUX and USB input. The journal inside the first generation Suzuki Wagon-R 2020 highlights a not too bad measure of inside space. In both front and back for a hatchback of its side is a spacious car. Suzuki Wagon-R is come with a 1000cc DOHC 12 valves inline 3 engine. Gearbox of Suzuki Wagon-R is 5-speed manual transmission. If we talk about the mileage of Suzuki Wagon-R 2020 first generation, that it gives 14 km per liter in urban area and gives 17 km per liter on highway as expected range. There are 7 color variants of Suzuki Wagon-R offer in Pakistan. These are pearl red, graphite grey, solid white, pearl black, silky silver, sand beige and red. The competitors of Suzuki Wagon-R are Toyota Viz, Toyota Passo and Cultus.